Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a Facebook login error. So guys, if you want to log in your Facebook account in Facebook app and facing this type of issue or any other error during login, then I'll help you how to fix your problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, here you can see I am facing the problem that an unexpected error occurred. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget, and guys after this you need to reconnect it again with your phone. And guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, the second method is you need to scroll down and find your app management. And guys, after this you need to click on app list, and here you need to find Facebook. And guys, after finding it, here you can see you need to click on Facebook, and after this click on storage and cache. So guys, simply you need to click on clear cache and clear storage and click on OK. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the third method is you need to update your Facebook. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store, and guys here you need to search Facebook, and after this click on Facebook. And guys, here you will find the option of update. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I have not showing the option of update. So guys, if you have any kind of update on your Facebook, then guys you need to update first. And guys, after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not solve your problem after update and facing login error issue again, then guys simply you need to open your settings again and scroll down, click on system and click on reset phone, and here is the option of reset Wi-Fi settings. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And after this, first of all you need to select same one and click on reset, and guys after this you need to select same two and click on reset. And after doing reset network setting, all the problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your Facebook account smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.